So thanks to Bingjie for the nice castle, right? So we talk about this pole power. The first thing I realized is I have to use the quarter because the problem kind of like gives me something about indicating this. Because otherwise the polar pattern is no different with one crossing a river. And that one I certainly cannot put the two plants together to cross it, right? So I focus on what's the difference between the regular river and a moat, right? So there's something about turning. So let's focus on this part, right? So the key is, blow this up here, is I can put something like this. That's about physics, right? So now one of the plant lands on planet, and then the other plant lands on stable plant and the planet, right? So after that, it becomes computation. So there are ways to do all this, lots of computation, a squared, b squared, and so on. But I think if we make this computation a little bit more carefully, we almost don't need to do any other computation with those numbers, right? So the key is we look at here, this right triangle. The length we want to cover is basically what? 12 root 2. This distance is 12 root 2, right? So we want to know this two distance. So one of them is plant 1, one of them is plant 2. I put it here as 1, right? So my first question would be, should I put the longer one here or the shorter one here? Right? Intuitively, what do you guys think?
I would say the longer one.
On this direction?
Yeah.
Right. Why is that? What's your reason?
Well, my reasoning is that the red dashed part that you drew in the corner has a length of half of y.
So you are already doing this very quickly. You spot this is basically what? Isosceles right triangles everywhere, right? So if this y over 2, this is y over 2, right? So the length is basically x plus 1, y over 2. So we know x plus y, and we lose 1, y over 2, right? So of course I should preserve my x to make it to be longer, right? So in a physics point of view, this is the force, basically is the one you want to apply on this direction, right? So of course you don't want to lose anything. You want to apply all your what? Your longer ones here too, right? So the next thing we only need to check is what? 11.75 plus what? 11 over 2 is more than 12 over 2. And that's easy to check, right? We have a little bit left over because that's important, because we do really want a little bit of overlapping, right? The tiny bit, right? And we can also check if we do the other way around, actually it doesn't work. The number doesn't work out. I think if we choose a number quite carefully, this one is actually nice.
So at least you can try the one doesn't work, you cannot reach.
And then you try this one again, right? But mathematically, now you see, as Bingjie pointed out, you write this out clearly, and you know this is the one you want to lose, the shorter one. Good.